friends, my name is Fidel Saxena. In this video, we discuss all the attributes related to the linear layout and the implementation of the attribute of linear layout. So, in the last video, we discussed orientation part. In this video, we discuss gravity, layout weight sum, and the example of these all. So, firstly, what is gravity? The gravity attribute is an optional attribute which is used to control the alignment of the layout. Gravity controls the alignment of the layout like left, right, center, top, bottom, etc. So just implement it, make the new project, and the project name is linear tree, and then finish. Just click to the finish. If you are new on Android Studio, it takes more time. So this is the designing phase. This is our designing phase, and then firstly remove the text view and then replace the constant layout from the linear layout. Linear layout because we learn the attribute of the linear layout. We make the two buttons of the linear layout, wrap content, and the ID of the button. Give the ID of the button. ID is button 1. Through this ID, we access this button. Text of the button. Text is inside the button. So text is button 1. On the time of coding of Java, if you access this button, so through this ID you access this button, and then close, and copy this button for the next button, and then paste. Only change the ID of the button. So this is our second button, so give the ID button 2 and the text button 2. So use of gravity, write the gravity here in the top. If by default the gravity of the both button is left, if we write here RIGHT right, then the both button move to the right side. That if we write bottom, then go to the bottom, and so this is the use of gravity. If you don't know the difference between wrap content and match parent, so in the last video we discussed difference between wrap content and match parent. Audio of this video link in on my description, so you go to the description and check the link of the video. So go to the next topic, means next attribute of the linear layout. So the next attribute of linear layout is layout weight. So what is layout weight? The layout weight attribute specifies each child control relative importance within the parent linear layout. So we go to the example of the layout weight. So you see there are two buttons and the size of the button is same. But if we apply here layout weight 1, layout weight 2, and here layout weight 2, 1, layout weight 1. So you see both the button, you see button 1 is expand from the button 2, button size is expand from the button 2, but if we apply layout weight is 2, the size of both button are same. So this is the layout weight. So in this video we learn gravity and the layout weight. In the next video we will discuss the weight sum. This is the last attribute of the linear layout and the example weight sum, layout weight and the gravity. Please like and comment this video and subscribe for the next video. Thank you.